In this lesson, we're going to cover cloud governance concepts. In the world of cloud computing, governance is a critical concept that businesses need to understand to ensure the security, compliance, and efficiency of their cloud deployments. Governance in this context refers to the management of policies, processes, and controls that guide the use of cloud services and resources. So let's take a look at how governance relates to the 5 cloud characteristics, the 3 cloud service models, and the 4 cloud deployment models. First, let's take a look at governance and the 5 cloud characteristics of on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured services. Governance principles and policies must align with each of these characteristics to ensure that businesses can leverage the full potential of cloud computing while maintaining the security and compliance of their data and resources. On-demand self-service is one key benefit of cloud computing, allowing users to provision and access resources without the need for manual intervention. However, this self-service nature can pose challenges to governance, particularly around change management. Businesses must modernize their policies and change management practices to accommodate the dynamic nature of cloud resources. Resource consumption can be difficult to predict if changes in deployments are not effectively addressed, leading to unexpected cost and compliance issues. Broad network access enables cloud resources to be accessed from any device anywhere in the world, which brings in a new set of risks for the business. Employees may use personal devices to connect to business resources, and risk management must include considerations for internet vulnerabilities. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that access to cloud resources is secure and controlled, regardless of the device being used. Resource pooling allows businesses to leverage shared resources to reduce costs and increase efficiency. However, for some industries that are heavily regulated, data storage must meet specific security requirements. Resource pooling introduces unique challenges to managing such data, and governance policies must be tailored to ensure that data is protected while enabling the benefits of resource pooling. Rapid elasticity enables businesses to quickly scale resources up and down based on demand. Change management and standard operating procedures, or SOPs, must be current to support rapid growth and deployment of resources. SOPs can make deployments quicker and more consistent, which is crucial for security. Measured services are a critical aspect of cloud computing, as cloud services are measured and billed on a pay-per-use model. Resource and change management practices must address these measured services to ensure that there are no unexpected charges. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that businesses are billed accurately and there are no compliance issues. Next, let's take a look at governance in the 3 cloud service models of software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Proper governance of the cloud includes all 3 of these different service models, and each model may require different levels of risk management strategies and compliance. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a popular cloud service model that enables businesses to use software applications without the need for on-premise installation. Software deployment should be governed by change management, resource management, and access and control policies. Individual departments may use software that requires specific industry regulation configurations. SaaS solutions should be evaluated for compliance and risk to ensure that business data is protected. Platform as a service, or PaaS, enables businesses to run, develop, and manage their applications without the need for infrastructure management. Developers and database administrators may use platform as a service solutions in cloud deployments. Secure development practices should be implemented and applications should be developed to meet any compliance requirements. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that platform as a service solutions are secure and that business data is protected. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, or some people even say ICE, enables businesses to deploy and manage their infrastructure in a cloud environment. The management of a cloud-based infrastructure should be governed by the use of standard operating procedures, SOPs. Existing information technology standard operation procedures will probably need to be amended to take into account cloud services too. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that the cloud-based infrastructure is secure and compliant with industry standards. Finally, let's take a quick look at governance in the 4 cloud deployment models of public, private, community, and hybrid cloud deployment models. Each deployment model presents unique challenges to governance, and the policies must be developed to ensure that the security, compliance, and efficiency of the cloud resources are maintained. Private cloud is often deployed so that organizations can retain control of its data. Such a deployment may be required based on industry regulations, issues of data sovereignty, or as a result of a risk assessment. Governance policy must be developed to ensure that data is protected in a private cloud environment. Public cloud is a popular option for businesses looking to reduce the cost and complexity of managing their own IT infrastructure. If an organization opts to use a public cloud service provider, appropriate measures must be taken to manage risk and control access to those resources. security policies must be updated to reflect the use of cloud services. Community cloud deployments often reflect several organizations that have similar security and management needs. These needs may be dictated by industry requirements. Organizations may come together to develop a community-based cloud solution to maintain industry compliance. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that the cloud community environment is secure and compliant. Hybrid cloud deployments are a mix of at least two of the above models. An organization might be motivated by any of the compliance factors listed above to develop a hybrid cloud deployment. Governance policies must be developed to ensure that the hybrid cloud model is secure, compliant, and efficient. So, it is important to remember that governance is a critical aspect of cloud computing that businesses must understand to ensure the security, compliance, and efficiency of their cloud deployments. Governance principles and policies must align with the 5 cloud characteristics and the 3 cloud service models, and also the 4 cloud deployment models to ensure that businesses can leverage the full potential of cloud computing while maintaining the security and compliance of their data and resources. On-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured services are the 5 cloud characteristics that must be addressed in governance policies. The 3 cloud service models, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, present unique challenges to governance, and policies must be developed to ensure that the security, compliance, and efficiency of the cloud resources are maintained. And finally, when it comes to managing cloud resources, there are 4 ways to deploy them: private, public, community, and hybrid clouds. Each deployment method has its own unique quirks that need to be dealt with, so policies must be created to ensure that everything runs smoothly. These policies need to address access control, data protection, cost management, and scalability, and they should be tailored to each type of deployment model. That way, everything stays confidential, follows the rules, and is used in the best way possible.